Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm presenting WasteNet AI, an intelligent system designed to transform how cities handle waste by turning it into usable resources in real time. Let's start with the dashboard. This screen gives a live overview of the system. It shows how much waste has been detected, how many matches are active, and the overall environmental impact like carbon and material saved. On the map, you can see real-time connections between businesses, where waste from one is being redirected as a resource to another. Next, moving to the resource detection screen. Here, the system identifies waste generated by different businesses, such as factories and shops. Instead of treating it as garbage, the AI classifies it into useful resource types. Even if the input data is limited, the system uses prediction to estimate patterns and improve accuracy over time. Now, the AI matching engine, which is the core of the system. This is where supply meets demand. The AI connects businesses by analyzing factors like distance, material compatibility, urgency, and demand. It ensures that each resource is matched to the most suitable user, maximizing value and minimizing waste. After matching, we move to the logistics screen. Here, the system handles real-world execution. It assigns delivery partners, optimizes routes, and combines multiple pickups into a single trip to reduce cost and time. This makes the system efficient and practical, even for small-scale resource exchanges. Next is the analytics dashboard. This shows the impact created by the system over time. It includes data like total waste saved, number of successful matches, and environmental benefits. This helps both businesses and cities understand the value generated by the platform. Now the Alerts and AI Insights screen. Here, the system actively communicates with users. It provides real-time updates, suggests better actions, and highlights urgent pickups. This makes the system feel intelligent and responsive. Next, the Add Business Flow. This is how new businesses join the platform. The process is simple and requires only basic inputs like business type, waste type, and frequency. This ensures easy adoption, especially for small businesses, helping the network grow stronger over time. Before concluding, I'd like to mention that what you're seeing right now is a prototype using simulated or dummy data. It is designed to demonstrate how the system would function in a real-world scenario. To conclude, WasteNet AI is not just a waste management tool. It is a complete resource optimization system that enables a circular economy within cities. By combining AI, real-time data, and smart logistics, we are building a system where nothing is wasted and everything has value. Thank you.